In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Meet link with all the essential details, including the title and timing, directly through WhatsApp. This is a super handy way to get everyone on the same page without losing any important information. Let's dive in. Firstly, we need to head over to Google Meet. If you haven't done so already, open up your browser and go to Google Meet's website. This is where we'll begin setting up our meeting. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option that says New Meeting. Clicking on this will give you a couple of different choices for starting a new meeting. When that menu pops up, go ahead and select Create a Meeting for Later. This option is perfect for when you plan to send out the meeting information to participants for a future date, rather than starting it immediately. Once you click on this, Google Meet will generate a unique link just for your meeting. Make sure to click on Copy Link to get that meeting URL onto your clipboard. This is the link we'll be sharing on WhatsApp, so it's an essential step that you don't want to skip. Now that we have our meeting link copied, it's time to switch over to WhatsApp. You can do this easily by opening WhatsApp Web in your browser or using the app on your smartphone. Once WhatsApp is open, you'll need to start a new chat. This could be with a single person or an entire group, whichever you prefer for sharing your meeting link. Inside the chat, simply paste the Google Meet link that we copied earlier. You might also want to accompany this link with a message noting the title of the meeting and the timing to ensure that all recipients know exactly what the meeting is about and when it's supposed to happen. Adding context to your message can help your participants quickly identify the purpose of the meeting and make sure it's on their schedules. Finally, after you've organized your message as you'd like it to appear, go ahead and click Send. Once sent, everyone in the chat will receive the link along with your message. They'll be able to join the meeting easily using the information you've just shared. So there you have it. A straightforward method to ensure your meeting link is distributed efficiently and effectively with all relevant details through WhatsApp. This easy process can help you streamline your communication and keep your meeting plans organized. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident about sharing your Google Meet links moving forward. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.